Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet and tap Add to Wallet button. Now focus on Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. First let's select Transport Pass. And now select your transit way if you are able to find it. Then you will be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty. For example, Payback Poland, you can scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap Done, Add to Wallet and it's set. In the end, let's select Gift Card, which is pretty similar to Loyalty Card, because you have to select a shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.